Hey guys, it's Sage and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be working with Ronnie hair in this video. The wig came with a band already installed and the niches what? The knots were already bleached, so I didn't really have to do anything, and the hairline was also pre-plucked. So this is what we're starting with out of the pack. This is my wig head. Her name is Denise. Say hi. If you're an old-time subscriber, you've already seen Denise before. I cut her hair off because like there's no point of her having any, but yeah, this is how the wig looked bleached. That's the first thing I did. After I bleached it, some of the bleach got on Denise's hair, which is to be expected because it just like seeped through the lace, so she got a bit of a makeover as well. But this is the hair dye I used on this wig. I was going for like an ashy brown kind of color because I do want to dye my actual hair ashy brown in the future, so my plan was for this to be like a tester. Didn't really turn out how I was expecting, but you know, it's fine. We still rocked it. And this was the wig with all of the hair saturated in the dye, and this is how the wig looked afterward. Yeah, so like I don't know if you guys recall, the box dye looked like this, so I don't understand how this is the color that was achieved. It gave more of like a highlighted ombre-ish look. I don't know, but you know, that's what we're gonna have to work with. Now, one downside to how I dyed this wig was I forgot to put like Vaseline on the inside of the cap, so those perfectly beautifully bleached knots got dyed like a darker color. So I just put some makeup right there, as you saw, just so like the part looks more natural. Again, I don't even know if I said this, I'm rusty. I haven't done like a dyeing wig video in like 2 years, so be easy on me, guys. So right here, all I'm doing is cutting the ear tabs. I don't have like a specific method to how I do this. I kind of just do it by feel. Wherever I feel that the lace is overlapping on my ear, I just cut like that part out. Yo, I just sounded like a frog. You just hear how I said ow. Like it is like 2 a.m. right now, I think. A girl is tired, but I want to finish editing this. Anywho, right here you just see me putting some makeup on the wig cap itself because it's too light for me. So it was just looking very weird that you could like see a really light color through the lace. So I'm just putting my foundation on that. Damn, again with the frog. Right here I'm just putting on some Got To Be freeze spray. I prefer using this over the gel just because it dries way quicker. The gel is probably, actually this is pretty secure too, I'm not even gonna lie. They have like the same secureness, but the gel takes so long to dry. Like I don't have time. Next I just putted out my baby hairs and then put some more freeze spray. And this looks so weird, but this is a blow dryer. You guys are gonna see this in the video where I strain my hair, but this is a blow dryer, so I'm just drying the spray. Again, wait, no, what? Now it is time to cut the lace. I don't have a specific method. It's kind of self-explanatory. I just cut where the edges of the hairs meet the lace. And I wasn't really in frame, sorry about that. But after I cut it, what am I doing? I think I'm going to do my baby here now, maybe? Oh, I guess not. I'm putting more freeze spray. I guess I really wanted this to be secure. Okay, I already washed the head, so I'm prepared this time. Right here, I'm just putting some more foundation on the lace. And now I am doing my baby hairs. So I'm just going to trim them and then swoop de whoop them. I use my Mael Organics curling custard. That's what I use on my actual baby hairs as well. And that was pretty much it for the baby hairs. Again, I'm rusty, which I'm gonna talk about later on, but this is pretty much it. I think I'm drying them again, and then we're gonna have a bit of like a like hair kind of, you know, flowy look into the camera moment. So this is the final result. I am a bit rusty, so the lace isn't as blended as I want. I actually have to give myself some credit because looking in this lighting, the blending actually looks pretty good. It's just that with the ring light, it like glares, but it's pretty decent. The color came out very interesting, as I said. Only some areas of the wig dyed that color, which is really weird. The hair on Denise, my mannequin head, as you saw, it got bleached by accident, and then of course the dye seeped into like her hair as well, and it dyed her hair the color that was on the box but not the wig, which is weird. Like a lot of the wig just went back to like almost black, but it's okay, it's okay. The quality of this hair is really nice, I must say. I barely got any shedding. The only time I noticed shedding was when I cut the lace, which is like, of course, but I bleached it, dyed it, and the curls are still popping. As you can see, still feels really soft and healthy. So all the info for this hair will be down below if you're interested, and thank you guys for watching. As always, it is Sage signing out. Peace.